Okay, so let's take a look at our app. We have also made a build version of our app now. We have the LG Liquid Galaxy, our lovely gallery islands loaded up in the back. And we have the track tab. Now it is taking data from text files that are in the assets instead of scraping them time to time. So just I have to scrape one time and generate these files, and the end user won't have to scrape or do anything with the info tab. So I will just get rid of this info tab and the web scraper at the end when all of the tracks are ready. And currently I am using it just to generate it once, and we sometimes have the scrape info as vector packages and stuff. Uh, so it's better that we have it as text files instead of generating it time to time. And we can take a look into our code how the things are managing. We have the LG task allowing us uh, to download each of the tracks individually as we read the data of the tracks, and we have managed in such a way that we can create visualizations just after reading by hitting visualize in LG, and it will take data from the text file. So we also have the help page. I have to just make it more polished and stuff, the legend for the affected areas. So it will tell about the workflow and how the information is getting fetched, and all the information needed will be in the help page. So yeah, it just needs to be polished. Currently, I've just added a diagram, something. So yeah, I clicked on located events map, and just let me see what is the matter. I will just click on visualize in LG again because maybe now we can see in the log we have the data read. Just have to make sure that we don't click on visualize before the data is not read or something. I will just take care of it later. So we only click after getting a pop-up or something that we have read the data of this particular track. So we have the located events of the earthquake data that corresponds to the volcanic activity. Now we click on affected areas, and look how beautiful is this one. So we have scraped it from Copernicus. It has the data with this transparent kind of black color telling no visible damage, the red squares telling visible damage, the red lines telling the roads that are destroyed, and possibly damage is in yellow color. These right, we have the vents or say the volcanic activities. We have the physiography and the natural land of this La Palma area, and we can see how badly it got affected due to this volcanic activity, which is shown in red, and yellow showing the possible damages. We have this blue color stream and everything, all the data scraped from Copernicus. Now let me just clean it, and I will be just loading in and unloading it again and again just to see if there is any sign of any sort of error or something. So just to be sure, I clicked on located events map again. We have the events data, and we are looking at that point where the volcanic activity and the earthquake activity have an intersection kind of thing. So the earthquake could be an early warning sign for some volcanic activity. And we have this affected areas map, and just reload it again to just visualize it. We can see in the background it is getting sent and stuff like that. So yeah, so far so good. We don't have any sort of error, and I hope that we just have to fill all the tracks like this. Like currently it is, this is the scenario. We have the affected areas, and it is a very beautiful visualization, and we will continue along with it, do the temperature, lava flow, historic, etc. So yeah, we can see every time it is loading up correctly. That's it for now.